Namaskar, worthy parents, my dedicated teachers, and beloved students. I am here to talk to you for the second time and also seek certain suggestions in order to go further. As you all know, students are my great source of energy, and their performance is a reflection of all that we do together, be school or the parents at home. My teachers are powerhouse of my inspiration and great ideas. And the parents, you are the one on whom I depend so much for the feedback, because you and the teachers put together give me an idea of 360 degree of what is happening in school, how it should be happening, and also to provide me a vision as to how go better in the future. Now in this unprecedented kind of situation with the pandemic, I hope the lockdown will be over very soon, and once the lockdown is over, a lot of questions are there that we need to address. We means the teachers, myself, the management, and also the parents. Whether parents, you are going to be feeling very safe by sending the students immediately after the school reopens, or you will have certain questions and apprehensions the way I have. I have apprehension about their safety, their well-being, on the same time their academic achievements. Now we need to strike a balance in all these three, and for that there are going to be policies at the central level, there are going to be directives coming from the state government. I want the teachers and parents to think out of box and also come forward with certain suggestions as to what should be the modality of reopening of the school. Whether we can go the way we were going pre-COVID-19, or we need to have certain other strategies. I alone cannot think in all 360 degree possible perspectives. For that, I am coming back to you. Dear parents, kindly suggest, please suggest openly what could be the measures that the school should be taking. What can be the way out with which we can strike a balance that academics move on without being disrupted, and also the safety and well-being of my students is taken care of. I am sincerely looking forward to getting the feedback from you on the email that will be shown to you on the screen in the last. In meantime, I hope you are taking care of my children, the students. I hope you are taking care of your families. I am sure you all are there in the very positive spirit, thinking forward with optimism, and also looking forward to see the things getting back to normalcy. Once again, I would like to remind, I miss my children badly. I miss my students badly. We feel completely lost without them, and we are looking forward to see them, to welcome them. But before that, we need to ensure that things are in place in order to ensure their well-being. So my dear parents and my teachers, my friends, I invite and I call upon you to come forward with all possible ideas as to how we can go forward post lockdown period. With these words, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, and kindly do not forget to give your feedback at the given email ID within 3 days. Thank you so very much. Thanks.